Hey guys, Mike here with RC 4-Wheel Drive. I'm just adding the finishing touches to our 1980 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ55 Lexan Body Set. In this video, I'm going to show you how I trimmed, masked, painted, and mounted this body to our long wheelbase Trail Finder 2 chassis kit. Follow the directions and I'll guide you along. Take a moment to get familiar with the instruction manual and make sure all the parts are included and free from damage. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and supplies ahead of time, like masking tape, CA glue, and paint that is approved for Lexan bodies. The first step is cutting the excess away from the body. Get familiar with the body lines before you start to cut, and be sure not to damage the outer protective film. I used a sharp pair of curved scissors to do all my cutting. Thoroughly wash the inside of the body and interior with mild soap and warm water to ensure the paint sticks. Apply the window masking tapes and press them down firmly. I'm doing a two-tone paint job on mine, so I'm masking the lower half, which will be the darker color first. Use the wider masking tape to cover larger areas. To save some time and masking tape, I stuffed some paper towels in the center roof area. Make sure the masking tape is pressed down firmly and the area is clean and dust free. Now we're ready to paint our first color. It is recommended that you paint your body in a clean and well ventilated area. After the paint is thoroughly dried, peel the masking tape to expose the next color to be painted. While the body's drying, we can start painting the interior. I masked off the entire surface of the interior and then used a hobby knife to trim out the areas to be painted individually. First, I painted the seats. I then trimmed away the masking tape for the floorboards and the dash and painted them black. I painted the remaining areas white. I painted my bumpers and blinkers silver using a plastic safe paint. Our kit includes highly detailed stickers for the blinkers and tail lights. I chose to paint the lenses using transparent paint. Use the side cutters to clean away any burrs from all the parts. This is the last step in our painting process. Now is a good time to clean up and organize and get ready for the assembly. The next few steps require holes to be drilled in the body. Please review the manual for the sizes and location of all the holes to be drilled. Step 5. Assemble the front body mount. For steps 6 and 7, glue the lenses onto the blinkers and the mirrors. Along with the steering wheel in step 8, I installed the stickers on the dash. I used a hobby knife to help position them. Follow step 9 to assemble the rear body mount. Watch closely on how I cut the holes out for the front headlight buckets. Follow steps 10 and 11 to install the headlights, grille, and front body mount. I used a hole reamer to drill all the holes in the body, stopping frequently to check the sizes. The blinkers require an oval hole to be cut in the body. Take your time and make sure the blinkers fit properly. Step 13 is an easy one. Drill 2 holes on the top of the hood just below the window and install the wipers. Follow along closely on step 14. We'll be installing the mirrors, door handles, and inner door panels. Step 15. Install the rear door handle. In step 16, we'll be installing the interior. It uses the rear marker lights and front fence to hold it in place. Notice how I used a marker to mark the holes on the interior before drilling them. Now is a good time to remove the window masking tapes. Press the vents and the rear marker lights through the body and the interior and use the clamps to hold it all together. For step 17, we'll be installing the tail lights, license plate holder, and rear body mount. Refer to the manual for the positioning and size of the holes. We've made it all the way to step 18. Let's install the rear bumper to the body and move on to the chassis. Follow the final steps to mount the front bumper, body mount, side body mounts, and rear body mount to our RC 4-wheel drive Trailfinder 2 long wheelbase chassis. I used a marker to make some lines on where to position the Velcro on the inside of the body. The kit comes with a wide variety of stickers, so you can give your rig that custom look. This about wraps things up. Thanks for following along. I hope this video helped you paint your FJ55, part number Z-B0250. Please leave a comment below or reach out to us at support@rc4wheeldrive.com. Have fun everyone, and we'll see you on the trails.